On the latest edition of Newsmaker Live, medical practitioner Dr. Sylvia Wilson shared her concerns about the state of the island's public healthcare system. Dr. Wilson says that she joined the island's public health sector in 1990. Since then, she says that the healthcare situation has become frustrating, with doctors now looking for better working conditions, resources, and salaries. According to Dr. Wilson, doctors are not the only ones who are dissatisfied with the state of healthcare in St. Lucia, but patients are as well. One example Wilson gave was the closure of the Castries Health Centre, which serviced the Castries Basin and environs. The Castries Urban Polyclinic, which will form part of the Castries Multi-Purpose Medical Facility, is meant to replace the services offered by the Castries Health Centre. However, these services have yet to commence, forcing persons to seek medical care elsewhere.
At one time we had the Marshall Health Centre. It has been closed for years. So you have the elderly and even people within the Castries Basin and outside who would want to service or would want the services of Castries Health Centre, but they have to go to Laclery, which is a very small health centre. And right now, Laclery is having their own problems. So the last time some patient told me, "Doc, you know where they have to send us?" Some elderly people, they were talking to me, they were seated on the square. They said, "They told us to go to Bexon." So how can you send elderly people all the way to Bexon and Cicero?
Dr. Wilson says that many patients who live outside of Gros Islet and environs are forced to go to the Gros Islet Polyclinic that operates from 8 a.m. to 12 a.m. due to the lack of a primary healthcare facility within the Castries Basin.
So when you have a problem with the services in the center of Castries, the people will go to the main hospital or the polyclinic. And after midnight, everybody has to go to the main hospital. So what about the services? So what about the services in Castries, in the center of Castries?
At a press conference held in June of this year, staff at the Millennium Heights Medical Complex acknowledged the importance of primary healthcare facilities, specifically how they can help relieve pressure off the OKEU's Accident and Emergency Department and the need for them to be open at night. Minister for Health Moses Baptist provided an update on the Castries Urban Polyclinic.
Also at the Victoria Hospital, the Urban Polyclinic, we are now finalizing the procurement of services for contracting works, which will rehabilitate the Dalto building into the Castries. We are going to move the Castries Wellness Center to the Dalto building, and also we are going to rehabilitate the urgent care area.
The secondary care hospital, which serves as an extension of the Millennium Heights Medical Complex, was launched on Tuesday, 19th December 2023. For the DBS News World, Miriam Montoute reporting.